What's up, goodies? Welcome back to another vlog, honey. Another vlog. And today, let's just say, girl, I'm gonna go picking some seeds from the palm tree. Cause I intend to bring them back. I intend to get some to plant my own palm trees. Because trust me, palm tree is one of the most expensive thing in Georgia. Trust me. The one that I want, I think it's probably about $500, the size that I want. So my uncle have a whole heap of palm tree, like crazy palms in the yard all over. So my intention is to go ahead and get some of them seeds, throw them into the suitcase, right, and bring them home and plant them. So I'm going to show you some of the palm them and the seed and everything, right? Yeah. So we have some palms right here, and right there so is the seed. Right there, so this is the seed right there. So look at something there. That is the seed right there. So if I get the seeds them like that, then I have to carry them home and put them out for dry. Them have to become really dry before I can plant it, right? I don't have time for that goodie. So I probably carry home some of that too. But I have some palms right here, so some more seed right there. So, but the thing is, after a while, them drop off on the ground. So what I'm gonna do, I'll just go ahead and pick up the ones them on the ground and put them in one bag and take them home, right? Just throw them in the suitcase. But we have a lot of stuff going on here. All that right there, so lots of plants and stuff. This is out in the back. The back right there, so I'm gonna just go ahead and find some stuff and pick. So that's probably that come from right there, so right. And then if you look down here, so all this is pine trees. All them there pine tree going right around down the entire house. So the side of the house, so they have palm tree on each side of the house, and the back and the front. Right, so I'm gonna just go ahead. I can't carry up none of them something. As much as them look pretty, I can't carry them up. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get some from right here, so because I do see lizard, right? So I'm gonna pick up some of them. So the dry one, when them drop on the ground, right, them look like, see them right here, so right, them are the seeds right there, so I'm gonna just go ahead and just pick up some of them. I see the one here start grow already. It start attach itself to the ground, this one. So I'm gonna just pick up some of them one here, put them in a bag. See that? Seeds. And just carry them home. Couple of them. Right there, so. Right? Right there's a plum tree. Right there, so. Nice little plum tree. But the plum not upon it right now. I don't want to go too close to the plum tree because it's scratch. Right? So I'm going to skip that. And I already know what that is already. And I bring back none of them something either. Not too much work. But the coconut tree, I'm showing the coconut tree. That's one of the coconut tree right there, so. About 3 or 4 of them there. The one that did this, so. Still not get the coconut off of the tree yet. I'm not getting nobody to come get it yet, but otherwise from that, yeah. this is what I have on today. I think I put on a little weight, you know, since I come down. I think I put on some weight. Not a lot, but I still put on 5 pounds here and there. All the healthy organic stuff now I eat. Yeah. So anyway, go there. Go ahead and pick up them there and put them in one bag. Lock up, of course, right? It's all about locking up. You have to lock up. When you come to Jamaica, you get used to the locking up thing. But that's how it's set. The sun is hot, but the breeze is blowing. Catch up back on that later.